by my suitcase, trying to find a warm place to spend the night. Yeah, baby. And a heavy rain falling, seems I hear your voice calling. It's alright. A rainy night in Georgia, said a rainy night in Georgia, Lord, it's just raining all over the world, baby. That's the way I feel tonight, it's raining all over the world. Look at him. Neon signs are flashing, taxi cabs and buses passing through the night. Oh Lord. And a distant moaning of the train seems to play a sad refrain to the night. Oh, that's lonesome. But this rainy night in Georgia, it's a rainy night in Georgia. Oh, it's raining. Raining all over the world. I feel that it's raining all over the world. How many times I wonder, but it still come out the same. And no matter how you look at it or think of it, just got to do your own thing. Oh yeah. I'll find me a place in a boxcar, and then I'm gonna take out my guitar just to pass some time. Are you with that, mama? Then listen to this. When it gets late at night and it's hard to rest, I'll hold your picture to my chest, and I'm gonna feel fine. Yeah, baby. This rainy night in Georgia, oh yeah, such a rainy night in Georgia. Oh Lord have mercy, it's raining, raining all over the world. Yes, it is. I know it's raining all over the world. Help me here. Take out my guitar just to pass some time. Oh, yes I will. And girl, late at night is so hard to rest. That's why I hold your picture to my chest, and it make me feel fine. I feel pretty good now. I feel all right there. But still, this rainy night in Georgia. Yeah. What a rainy night in Georgia. I believe it's raining all over the world. That's the sad news. It's just raining all over the world. I know it's raining in my soul. It's raining all over me, and that lets me know it's raining all over the world. You hear what I'm trying to tell you all? That's why I'm just sitting here now trying to finish off this last little half pint I got, you know. And I don't know what I'm supposed to, but you know, as I think about this and I feel like I know good well that I'll be alright in a little while, because, you know, I can just get my hands on some sterno, you know, and everything will be fine. I'm almost gone now, but I wish you would stop the rain. Somebody up there ought to turn it off, you know, especially since it's raining all over the world, you know. I'll be better.